Good afternoon, welcome to the IG Market Headlines. It's the 28th of August. I'm Brenda Kelly. We got a little bit more information in regard to the forward guidance from Bank of England Governor Mark Carney today. He stipulated once again that we would see no rate change until unemployment levels came down around 7%, and he also stated that we probably wouldn't see that happen until 3 years hence. It was interesting to note that before the actual speech was released to the media, we saw sterling hit a two-week low against the US dollar. Since then, and despite the fact that we have seen a certain amount of, I suppose, calming from Mr. Carney in respect of when quantitative easing and when rate changes will take place, we have seen sterling rise to that 155 level. In fact, we are in a bullish channel at the moment, and we have risen towards the 76.4% of the entire retracement from that total move down. Remaining above the 155.30 is imperative if we were to contain this trajectory. And if you look at the 1 hour chart, we can see that the 50 and the 100-hour moving averages are capping the gains around the 155.60. If we get a move through that particular level, that will target the 157, which will be the entirety of the retracement almost, and then breaking through that could ultimately give us an even higher sterling. What is interesting though is that we do have the Syrian scenario to contend with, and of course this may or may not have an effect on whether or not we see some tapering of the Fed asset purchases as early as next month. With that in mind, there could be a certain amount of volatility surrounding any US dollar crosses for the current couple of weeks, and I think until that particular case happens and when we get some clarity in regards to Syria, I would expect to see the trajectory for sterling to continue on the upside, particularly contained within the bullish channel that you can see on the chart.